So I just shot Diwali makeup tutorial. You can't even guess what time it is. It is 5:15 in the morning. So this is my McD. Hey you guys, what is up? How you all are doing? This weekend and the coming week is off, and there will be a lot of things going on. There will be a lot of things that I'll be doing. So I thought I'll vlog every day. So I was supposed to start vlogging this morning, but it completely slipped my mind, and I just got up, did my routine, everything, and now when I was getting ready to film the Diwali makeup video, I was like, oh man, was I not supposed to vlog? But it just got very late by the time I was done with this super small setting. I'm really bad at decorating and art stuff, so I take really long time even to set up small things. And I actually set this up on the opposite wall, but not the opposite, but the wall to the side. But I didn't realize that it was not good for my camera angle, so I was not able to sit down and film there. It was very weird angle, so I had to shift it, and I again took 1 hour to do this like small thing. Can you see? I'm so bad at it. So yeah, I'm just going to change and start filming my video because I'm already late. It's Diwali is almost here, and yeah, I've not recorded any ethnic video or anything, and I just missed that thing on my feed. So yeah, I'm going to record one right now. And yeah, last I shot on 12th or 9th October something, and it's been like almost 3 weeks. So yeah, I'm just going to change into my beautiful ethnic Indian wear and I'll start shooting. Hi, what's up? Hey, this is the Diwali makeup video that I just shot. Earlier, I planned to put up 3 videos for Diwali, but Diwali is almost here, and this is my first video that I have just shot. So I don't think I'll get time to shoot 3 and edit and then put on YouTube before Diwali, and after Diwali, so it doesn't make sense. So yeah, now I'm planning to just put 2 videos on YouTube and 1 on Instagram as well, like a different makeup look. And of course, there will be some reels on Instagram as well. Oh my god. Okay. Wait a minute. What a weird angle. Wait, let me just put some lights. Is it good? Yeah, it's better. I got this mini tripod, that vlogging wala tripod before going on the recent trip, thinking I would vlog a lot and everything, but that I didn't do. Like, I did capture some part, but it's not like a proper vlog, and I did not use this mini tripod. This is the first time I'm using, so I'm not able to figure out how do we adjust the height and everything. And I was holding it like this earlier, and my hands were like dead. Okay, so I was telling you about Diwali makeup video. So this is the first video that I've shot today, and it's not complete. Like, makeup is complete, you can see. I still have to shoot a lot of pictures and videos for this video, for thumbnail and whatnot. There's a lot of things in the background, so I have to shoot for that. My camera battery drained out, so that is getting charged, and that really takes time. I think it's been charging now for 30 minutes, so I'm waiting for 30 more minutes so that I can shoot for some time. I'll tell you what time it is. It is, wait, it's 1:51, almost 2, and I'm not done with this video. I think I'll take half an hour more, and then some reels. So I take a lot of time. I don't know how people record and post it every time. I just take a lot of time to film reels and do edit. Right now the lighting is weird because wait, I can show you. Better. I'm vlogging this on my phone because camera ki battery ja chuki and I don't have multiple batteries. So, and this is the background. It looked beautiful in the video. I just checked the footage and oh my god. मतलब इतनी रात में जाकर आप शूट कर रहे हो, you are investing a lot of time and energy, and when the outcome is not great, it just feels so bad. But so far the video is so good. And I don't know, this iPhone 12 ka camera, I just don't feel it is that good, or I don't know the settings. I don't know what's the matter, but it isn't that good. So yeah, and also I am going home for Diwali, and although now I'm not dependent on natural light and I can literally shoot anywhere, so it will not be that difficult for me to shoot my YouTube videos. But I don't know. घर पे it doesn't feel like shooting. I mean, घर का एकदम माहौल अलग होता है. I rarely feel shooting, so I want to shoot backup videos so that I can edit there and post. So yeah, after completing this makeup wali video, I have to shoot one more video. I don't think I'm sleeping. Also, I'm really bad at doing hairstyles. Like, I can't do a single hairstyle. But today, I just did this hair in like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. And right now, I have to do a bit of touch up with this. Otherwise, in video, it's just looking so beautiful. I don't have creative talents. Like, I don't know how people do such creative stuff. Maybe creativity zero. Also, my room is mess. I don't know how I'm going to sleep today because it's very mess, and by the time I would be done with my video, I would be so tired. I will be so embarrassed to show you the condition of my room, but I think dikha dete hain, I'll show you. Wait. This area is still okay. I just put few products there, but look at this. Look at this. Clothes, wires. This is my tripod stand, my camera, my light. See, my bed. My bed is a mess. मैंने bed को भी नहीं छोड़ा. My straightener, my snacks wala box, some more products that I used just now, wires, and see, table. Table is a real mess. I mean, I don't make this table mess because it just feels so weird to have the table in such condition. But just look at this, more products. I have to wait for a couple of more minutes before I can start shooting because this video is still okay, but I have to film another video, so camera battery has to be charged sufficiently. Okay, all right, I'll wait for some more time before I resume shooting, and I will see you guys later. So I'm done with my shoot and I have changed into my ghar ke kapde. Just going to remove this makeup and crash because you can't even guess what time it is. It is 5:15 in the morning. Oh my god, it's terribly late, and yeah, I'm basically very tired mentally, physically, very pissed off, and a little tragedy happened. That is why it took me so long, because it shouldn't have taken me more than an hour after my battery got charged, like my camera ki battery got charged. But something happened and I cannot talk about it now. Like, I cannot talk about anything right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna crash and I'll see you tomorrow. guys, good morning or rather good afternoon because it's 2 I think. It's why can't you see anything on the camera? I don't know, but it is 2:15. I woke up super late and still I have not taken like a proper good sleep. I'm eating a meal after 18 hours, you know. Yesterday I had my dinner at 6:30 in the evening. It is pretty early. I normally eat around 9:10, but yeah, yesterday I just felt like I was hungry, so I just finished my dinner. And उसके बाद से now I'm having my next meal, so I'm very hungry. So I've ordered this vada pav and bhel puri. चाय मैंने खुद बनाई है. I also ordered what do you call pav bhaji? Yeah, but I'll have it later. I think this would be fine for breakfast. आज सुबह जब मुझे सोने की बहुत ज़रूरत है, मैं थोड़ा भी नहीं सोई हूँ, तभी every courier वाला भैया and everybody has to come and knock the door. And you know when you get notification on your phone or call that this is getting delivered or someone is coming and I can't sleep, then I would keep checking my phone and I would keep checking if there's anyone knocking the door. So I slept at 6, yeah, and at 9:15 the person who cleans my car regularly came to get the keys. He had to clean it from inside and whatever, so he came and then and once he cleans the car, he's supposed to return the keys. And I was not able to sleep. I was constantly checking my phone. He'll call or he'll ring the bell or whatever, you know. It's not like I'm waiting for him, but it keeps on going in the brain कि अभी कोई आएगा, अभी उठना है, मुझे उठना है. And then this courier वाला came. He didn't come to return the keys even after more than an hour, and I was like, what this man is doing with the keys now? And I was not able to open my eyes even. They were like very tired and very painful, but still I had to go down, check with the security, and got to know that he gave the keys to the security personnel. The moral of the story, I did not have sound sleep at all. I think I hardly slept for 2 hours, yeah, 2 or maximum 3 hours. And the worst part is when I don't get my proper sleep, which happens a lot usually, my eyes, head and everything, like this upper portion just starts burning, and I don't know, it doesn't go away so easily. I'm not feeling it that severe right now. Like it is there, like I can feel this portion is, you know, it's not good, but yeah. So plan for the day is I will rest for a bit. Basically I wanted to sleep for an hour, but no, I'm very bad at it. I never take proper sleep, so I'm feeling like watching something. I know that's the worst thing I can do for myself, but yeah, I'll see. And after an hour or so, I'll go back to editing because I want to put the video that I shot yesterday night, Diwali makeup, on Monday evening. And today also I have to shoot one more video, at least one. I'm planning to do 2. Yesterday I didn't do 2 videos, just one, and you saw what happened. Like it was super late. I spent the entire night. So I don't even have today's day completely. I have to start shooting and I'll start early today because कल काफ़ी लेट हो गया था एक्चुअली. मतलब मैं ऐसी मस्ती में ना, ऐसे मैं मस्ती में बहुत लेट करती हूँ. ऐसे मैंने फ्राइडे को बहुत लेट किया था. आई कुडंट शूट. कल सैटरडे को तो आई हैड टू शूट एनी हाउ, एंड पूरा दिन निकल गया, मतलब रात निकल गई. और मैं एम प्लानिंग टू शूट, स्टार्ट द शूट एट 7. Let's see, because I'm not shooting in natural light these days. The weather in Bangalore is kind of very confusing. Sometimes it is too bright and sometimes it gets cloudy, and then other moment it's pitch dark and then sunny again. So this goes on the entire day, and this is not like a ideal lighting setup for your videos. It has to be like one constant light. And in summers, like early 6 months of the year, it is still good. Like, yeah, you can get sun for a good amount of hours. So I used to shoot in the morning, but now I'm quite impressed with the studio lighting that I had. I never explored it that well, but I'm using it now for all of my videos, be it Instagram or YouTube. So yeah, I'm shooting in dark now. I also have sheer curtain. Like, I can cover my window and I can shoot even now with my studio light, but I have sheer curtain. So, I have to put some blanket or something and it's a headache. So I don't want to do that. I've been editing the video whole day, sitting on my bed. That's all I did, and I planned that I would start today's video on time, like 7, 8 in the evening, night, whatever. Because you know how it went yesterday. I was up the entire night due to one or another reason, and yeah, I couldn't sleep also. But I forgot that. We had India ka World Cup match T20 with New Zealand. Of course, we lost, and how terribly we lost. So after the match got over, I took shower and then I ordered some food because I was hungry. So this is my McD. I wanted to order something else, but कभी भी कुछ out of stock होता है या फिर नहीं मिलता है, ये whatever happens. So McD is like my safe place कि कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, चलो order McD. कुछ experiment नहीं करना, I'm too tired to think, चलो order McD. तो आज वो वाला दिन है. So I have ordered my food. I'll have it and I'll watch something क्योंकि I haven't watched anything interesting. मतलब apart from match यार, वो interesting नहीं था, मेरे को interesting नहीं था, बहुत disappointing था. और so I'll watch something and room का हालत is same as it was yesterday night, and I thought I would clean this up while watching match, but I was editing. I was switching tab and editing, so I did not clean up this room. इतना messy हो गया है कि कल भी मैं बहुत मुश्किल से सोई थी. Just my bed section is clean. Rest everything is so messed up badly. So आज तो मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. वॉश्ड कपड़ों को वापस वार्डरोब में रखना टेक ईयर्स. सो दैट इज़ द पेन पॉइंट. तो एक वो रहता है और एक मेरा मेकअप रहता है कि वॉट एवर आई यूज़ फॉर वीडियोज़, अगर मैं इसे टाइम पर नहीं हटाऊँ तो वो एक्यूमुलेट हो जाता है एंड देन इट गेट्स मेसियर. Raw mango cooler from McD. I just love this drink, and whenever I order, I make sure instead of Coke or any coffee, I order this. It's so good. It's so good. Man, I love this stuff. I love this. At last moment I got confused about the dress that I want to wear for this video, for this